Manipur Minority and OBC Economic Development Society Mobets na sinduna Chief Minister Ladek Haiminasi Haiba program gi makada pangthokpa 6-month free remedial coaching program gi center ama oiriba Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tamenglongda ngasi inspection chatuna yengsinkhre Mahairoi singna Chief Minister amasung Mobets bu coaching asina kana ba pibibagi damak thagatfa fongdona rakre.
So this coaching has helped us spend our time more productively and responsibly. And also, a lot of teachers came from different schools and different places, so it helps us interact with them and also to learn from different ideas and also different understandings. It's very beneficial for us.
On behalf of our school community, I express my sincerest thanks and appreciation to our Chief Minister for this remarkable progress. A special note to thanks Sir Alam, who play an important role in the realization of this project. Once again, thank you.
Loinana parents singna macha singda private tuition ki chatnabi lauthokduna government na piriba khudong chaba asi lobiu haidaduna Mobets ki assistant project officer MD Alam Ajana tungan mafong kya fongdorakli.
Parents na macha singje hojiki fashion na moiriba coaching gi tuition gi private tuition gi chatnabi ase masigi sida government na piriba khudong chaba honorable CM na hatheng na maki scheme oina paikhat piriba Chief Minister Ladek program haiba scheme asida ekoina mafam 18 da pre matric da coaching ase pangthoi ekoi khabar da newspaper da hapaga satra enrollment gi kaukhibani aduga hojiksu dum publicity poster campaign na chingba tauri adu moigi student singje parents singna thabiraga hairiba anak anak pada leiba pham du deida coaching si free coaching ni tohanbiba aduga ekoi gi oja singna adagi mayam na su cooperation pibiri oja singna bhajan tambiri masigi da makta ekoina Tamenglong amadi 100 Flower School amadi yam phajana chatharamba school sing sibo mubet ki mai kai degi khoina thagat perform doi.